Hi all, my name is Joe. Welcome to the introduction to Go programming. Go or Golang is an open source programming language that make it simple to build secure, scalable systems. Golang was developed at Google by 2007 and open sourced by 2009. So it is a new gen language when compared to C++, Java, Python, etc. So now comes the interesting question. Why Go? What is the need of another programming language and how it is better from the rest of the programming language? In this video, I will explain why Go was developed, also highlights its key features, and showcase some applications built with Go. The first and foremost reason why Go was developed for boosting productivity. It is designed to enhance programming productivity in the age of multi-core processors, network systems, and extensive code bases. And the second reason was aimed to address the shortcomings of other languages while retaining their valuable features, such as static typing and runtime efficiency similar to C, and readability and usability similar to Python. Go has a clean and concise syntax, making it easy to read and write. It removes redundant code like the need for semicolon and introduces simplified error handling. And the next characteristics of Go is concurrency support. Concurrency means multiple computations are happening at the same time. Imagine a program initiating task 1, task 2, and task 3. The processing of task 1, task 2, and task 3 will occur simultaneously, and each task will complete based on its individual job completion. Go's concurrency model relies on Go routines, such as Go routine 1 and Go routine 2 given here, which are lightweight threads capable of running multiple functions concurrently. It also uses channels, a built-in mechanism for safe and efficient data exchange between these Go routines. And another main characteristic of Go is garbage collection. Go features an efficient garbage collector that automatically manages memory, minimizing the risk of memory leaks and related issues. Main feature of Go is cross-platform compatibility. Go facilitates cross-platform development, enabling developers to build applications that run seamlessly on various operating systems without modification. Go is used in various domains due to its efficiency, simplicity, and strong concurrency support. Some key areas where Go is commonly used are web development, cloud services, services, networking tools, blockchain, and DevOps and automation. Go has been used to create a wide range of tools across various domains. Some notable ones are Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Prometheus. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to us.